Okay folks, this is Richard over at Cowboy Garage, and we're doing a resto mod here on a 79 Bronco, and I just wanted to put up a quick video of why we cut open the wiring harness on every one we do. And this right here is your example of why we cut open the harness. This is what you will find underneath the tape. If you're doing a restoration and you don't cut open the electrical harness, you will run into this issue. It's a 45-year-old vehicle that's been ridden hard, and there are issues like this underneath the harness or underneath the electrical tape everywhere. Make sure you cut open the harnesses on these vehicles that you're restoring, or you're going to be chasing a gremlin, and that's the gremlin. Have a good day, folks.